There are almost too many options available when it comes to insuring a rental car. You want to make sure you have all your bases covered in the event that something goes awry, but you also don't want to overspend on rental car insurance, right? Rental Car Damage Protector is designed to provide car renters what they need without overdoing it, a collision damage benefit. The benefit can cover the costs associated with theft or damage of the rental car, up to $40,000, including loss of use fees a rental agency may charge. Rental Car Damage Protector is a cost-effective solution for the rental car worst-case scenarios that keep you up at night. With it, you'll be able to walk up to the rental car counter confident you have everything you need. Remember to read your plan documents for vehicle eligibility and restrictions. Additionally, this plan is not available for all cars or in all countries. If you have questions about Rental Car Damage Protector or car rental insurance in general, visit AllianzTravelInsurance.com to learn more or call us